Oh, hi! Welcome. Welcome to the vlog. You've come back, I see. If you're new, welcome, extra welcome. It's Saturday evening. We've been out most of the day after lunch. What time did we leave? Like 2? Yeah, we left like 2, and now it's 7. 7 o'clock, and no dinner in sight, but I just had a little snack. But that's not dinner. I gotta make a proper dinner. We went to so many places today. First we went to Home Goods, and you know I can't stay away from these tahine rings. So they had a lot of these marked down. I don't know why people aren't buying these because they're absolutely delicious. And they just so happen to be vegan, which is nice. I'm just checking again to make sure. I think, yeah, they're vegan. Okay, so I got peach this time instead of watermelon. I got another bag of watermelon here somewhere. I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm not going to forget about that. Mark got these maple pecan cream-filled rolled wafers, not remotely vegan, gluten-free, or anything, or healthy. That's for him to enjoy. I'm not going to rag on him. Alright, so then after Home Goods, we went to Michael's. I know. If you watch the crochet channel, we must have bought 1,000 skeins of yarn in the last 3 weeks. We bought 5 more. But I'm not going to talk about it now because I don't want to. Hello.
Hey.
After Michael's, we went to BJ's. And I said, oh, you guys can wait in the car, whatever, I'll just run in. But then everybody wanted to go in, and we bought a lot more than we usually would have bought, or should have bought. So, Maddie wanted me to go there because she wanted her own bag of JoJo's. So I got her one, and I got me another one. Because everybody's been eating it, you know, after dinner, so got to replenish. I also wanted to go in for another 3-pack of the Beyond Sausage because nobody's got as good a price as BJ's. I even bought some at Sam's Club today. I bought 1 single pack of the not spicy one. It was on sale for $8. This one is $18 for 3 packs. That's only $6 a pack. I mean, you can't beat that. I've never seen it cheaper than that. So I always have to get it. I got Sean some Belvita sandwich cookies, either to take with his lunch as a snack or to eat after dinner as a snack, like a little dessert. And these are also accidentally vegan, but these have wheat flour in them, so I can't eat those. But I would love to because they're really tasty. And the nuggets, the nuggies were on sale. The Impossible Nuggets were, I believe they were $12.50. So that's a definite good price, but let me know in the comments if you buy the Beyond Nuggies and the Impossible Nuggies, which ones are your favorites? Or even tell me which is your favorite nugget. Because there's also the Gardein Black Bag. There's the Gardein, you know, the first ones, the old school classic ones that they first came out with. Those are tenders, though. There's Impossible, there's Beyond, there's Alpha, there's Daring. Let me know what your favorite is. I would have to say my favorite, if I could eat it, is the Gardein. And yes, I have tasted it. But it doesn't agree with me, so I can't eat it on a regular basis. But the ones that I can eat, that is my favorite, is the Daring Breaded. So good. Alright, so also at BJ's, I guess we got some batteries. I don't know where they are. We also got a giant thing of Bounty napkins. I was completely out of napkins. We were down to using paper towels. And I had one roll. Here it is. This is the roll of paper towels. This is all the paper towel. This roll of paper towels will probably last me until the end of the year if I let it, because we don't use paper towels anymore. The only time I use them is cleaning the toilet, because I'm not going to put toilet rags or whatever in the wash. So I always either use the like Clorox wipes on the toilet or some straight up paper towels to like clean around the nasty bits. But we used to go through a lot of paper towels, and I just said, this is crazy. We're just throwing money in the garbage. So we don't do that anymore. After BJ's, we went to Aldi, where I got another bucket. Hello.
Hi there. Sorry.
For yarn, of course. And just a few things from BJ's. Not BJ's, from Aldi. Some frozen veg. Some organic romaine. I really like this Josie's brand. Some mozzarella. Vegan, of course. The grapes looked amazing. So I got a small bag of the grapes. Bananas, blue corn tortilla chips, our absolute favorite fancy salad lettuce, the artisan lettuce. We have that once a week in a delicious salad, if I do say so myself, on pizza night. Some unsalted, unroasted cashews for yellow sauce. And I got a big juicy bottle of the jalapeno stuffed olives because they are the best. Then after Aldi, we ran over to ShopRite and we used the caper cart again. And we had a credit from last time of $4, which we parlayed into $5 off. So we used that. And for using the caper cart, why did we get $10? Because we used it so many times in a month or something? I don't know, but they gave us $10 off if we spent, what was it, like 30 something? 35. So that was nice. Right off the bat, we got $15 off of our order for basically doing nothing. So that was fantastic. So we got hummus. Stadium dogs were on sale, and it is Labor Day weekend. These, I believe, were also on sale. Smoked apple and sage. The pack of the not spicy sausages for Mark because he's got baby mouth. Whoops! I almost dropped that whole thing on the floor. I'm still struggling. There we go. Got it. Sean D insisted on a pepperoni pizza, so we got him a pepperoni pizza. Mark got some beautiful bean and cheese burritos. These ended up being $1 a burrito, which was fantastic. That's a very good brand too. Maddie was not with us, but we did notice the Just Eggs were on sale for $4.99. So we got her 2 boxes of those. She loves those. She knows her husband, that one of her love languages is when her husband buys her the vegan food and surprises her with it. So, and he always buys that. Cauliflower sea salt crackers, I believe they're phasing them out, so these were only $2. The Daring was still on sale, so I got 1 pack. The ShopRite that we go to doesn't have the breaded ones, so I have to suffer with the original, but the breaded ones are my favorite. These are still good though. Vegan yellow rice mix, as always. My 3 bags of Italian flour, as always. Roasted red peppers, as always. The California vinegar was on sale again, so we got a bottle of this. Love it. We used up all of our chocolate sauce, so we got this Hershey's Simply 5, pretty clean ingredients, no high fructose corn syrup in there. Some pasta from Italy. This was on sale, the mixed olives. Also on sale, the BioLife. These were $3.99 each. The 4-cheese pizza, I believe, was $1.77. Well, all of the varieties of the shreddy cheese was $1.77. So I got some for pizza night. And back to school, they got the snacks on sale. So Mark and Sean's absolute favorite cracker packs are these Captain's wafers with the cream cheese and chives in there. So I got 2 of those. And that's everything that we got. Now, and that's a lie. I also got Sean some nice cargo sweatpants. These feel really nice. And I just hate when... I hate a lot of stuff, but I hate when you're a tall person and it's a low rise. So when you bend over, your whole butt crack is out. Hate that. I think that's legit to hate that. So these I'm checked because I come from a family of tall people. I checked and made sure the rise on those was long enough so that hopefully butts aren't out. Right, buddy?
Right.
Yeah. You gonna have a good night?
Yes.
Hope so. Hope so, because I'm exhausted now. All right, so that's everything that we got. Oh, hi.
Man,
Sorry, you're really close.
you're close.
We're here at the final show of the season called The Cottage. The set is so delicious. It's really beautiful. I'm excited. We'll be back. Oh, we're going to get a copyright strike for this music. We're having our ice cream after the show. You like it? I got mint.
I got vegan soft serve.
Yeah.
Never get vegan soft serve. I love your ice.
What'd you get as the syrup?
Peanut butter.
Nice. You got a whole thing.
No dinner tonight.
Oh, enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy, fam.
Oh, hello.
It's Sunday. And
No.
it's Monday. I've been thinking it's Sunday all freaking day today.
It has that feel. Oh, I gotta put the garbage in. I think.
I don't know. I think it's delayed.
I don't know. I think some of the neighbors put it out.
Well, guess what?
What?
We got a special guest.
Who?
Maddie!
Oh.
Hi.
Maddie was punished and she couldn't come over today.
No, I had too much to do today, unfortunately.
I know. You were punished
Too much
by
to
Big
do.
Brother.
Yeah.
So here she is. She didn't want to miss out on the birthday shout out.
Oh, who is it for?
Well, I'll tell you. It's for none other than Mary Patricia Dorsey.
Oh, Mary Patricia, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mary Patricia.
Is it today?
It is today. It's tomorrow.
Ooh,
It's tomorrow.
okay.
It's the
So she
second.
gets to celebrate all week long.
Yes, the 2nd of September. So not
That's
only
very nice.
do you get the long weekend, you get a long week of birthday celebrate.
Yay, happy birthday.
Hope you're living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Oh, excuse
And
me.
God bless you,
Bless
sir.
you.
Thank you.
God bless us all. Oh, fun.
There we go.
Yeah, get the mouth on the cat. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
That's amazing. What else can you say?
Hi.
That one's too weird. I don't like that one.
All right. Well, whatever.
Lammy's exercise wheel came today.
You got her the wheel. I didn't even know you ordered it.
Yeah.
Oh boy. So when I come over tomorrow, will she be running on it?
I don't know because I haven't put it together yet. It's over here in this box. In this
Where are you putting it?
Probably upstairs, but I might leave it down here just to like get her trained.
You gotta observe her on it.
Yeah, exactly. So I didn't get the really good one because that was crazy.
Yeah.
So I got a mid. I didn't
We'll
cheap
take a
out.
mid.
I got a mid because I was in the comments warned against getting one that was too small in diameter.
Mhm.
You have to get one that's like 1.5 times the length of your cat in diameter, so otherwise it's too uncomfortable for them to run on it. Like
Yeah.
it'll hurt their back or something.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. So
Well, I hope she loves it.
I have a feeling she will, because you know how she likes to run.
She really does like running around.
Yeah.
And
So
if she doesn't like it, Kristen's cat will have a nice new wheel.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, do you have anything else to report?
Not that I can think of. I gotta crochet like crazy tonight because I haven't been able to do anything yet today.
I know.
Today's been all Big Brother. I didn't even get to shower yet.
I know. Well, I've been crocheting today. I've been what?
Who are those people?
I don't know. I've been trying to get ready for our market this weekend,
Very exciting.
and I am woefully behind.
I mean, we have a lot of stuff, but, you know, we always want to have more ready.
I need more little stuff ready.
Yeah.
I need a couple of Halloween things, I feel like. Maybe I'll work on the octopus with the top hat.
Cute.
And I need to do a few full-size octopuses with the,
Yes, Paula.
yes, I need some Paulas with the home essentials.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe even the heather.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I don't know how a green octopus is going to go over, but I'm going to try at least one.
Why not?
Yeah. I'm going to need some more frogs, see? Yep. So we're just hanging out. I'm going to start making dinner in a minute. I was supposed to... Can you, sir? I'm filming?
Yeah, sure.
I was supposed to make bread and didn't realize that I just dumped the yeast in the water to proof, and like that was it.
Oh, oops.
Yeah, it was in there for hours
Oh,
instead of 10 minutes.
so it's a no-go?
No, I added some flour. I have to add the rest of the flour now because I just let the wet mixture autolyze, which is when you let a very wet dough sit around, the texture of it changes
Mm-hmm.
so that it's more pliable. You know, you don't just dump the ingredients in a bowl and make bread. There's technique.
Yeah,
So it's ready.
I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, it's ready for the rest of the stuff now.
Wonderful.
I know. So guess who's going to benefit from that? You.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, because someone's going to get fresh bread tomorrow.
Oh,
Fresh bread
wonderful.
tomorrow. I don't know
I'm
what
gonna spend
happened
the
with
whole
my mouth,
day-
but it wasn't
I'm
working
gonna-
just then.
Yeah, I'm going to spend the whole week thinking that it's a different day, but
I know.
that's how it goes.
I've been thinking all day that it's Sunday, so
Yeah.
I got the Sunday scaries
All right,
on a
well,
Monday.
what do you say we wrap this thing up?
All right, I know you really want to relax, and
Yes.
you've been working hard, and you deserve a break today.
Thank you.
So get up and get away, not to McDonald's.
Okay.
Why don't you
All
take
right,
it away,
everybody.
daughter?
Thanks for watching. Hope you all had a fun and safe Labor Day.
Yeah.
And we'll see you soon. So until next time,
Much
love.
love. Bye, everybody.